Hello boys and girls, hello mommies and daddies. Welcome to the first episode of Unboxing with Daddy Henry. My name is Henry.
My name is Charlie.
And my name is Emma.
And he's our daddy.
That's right. Now today we're trying a new idea. Now I'm sure all of you have seen shows on the internet when people are opening things or unwrapping things. Well, this is called unboxing. Everyone please say unboxing.
Unboxing. Unboxing.
That's right. And we are going to do a little test today with these. This is a thermos. Everyone please say thermos.
Thermos. Thermos.
That's right. We got a few thermoses here today, or thermos bottles if you have a few of them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test which one of these or which one of these are the best that could keep the temperature the highest after using it for a while. Everyone please say temperature.
Temperature. Temperature.
Okay, now Charlie and Emma, are we ready to test these thermoses? Are you ready, Emma?
Yeah.
Good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have to pour hot water inside, so be careful. We are going to do a little experiment. Everyone please say experiment.
Experiment.
Very good. Now,
Experiment.
oh, sorry. Okay, experiment. Experiment. Okay, so please, can you help me open the thermoses? And then I'm going to bring the hot water. Be careful, okay? And then as soon as I pour the water in, you can help me close them. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think we got that one. Close it. This one's a little difficult. I'll do this one. Be careful. Be careful. Emma. This one is very tall. Okay.
This one's a little hard.
Careful. I think I've filled a little too much in there. I might spill. I'll see. Oh, it is pretty hot. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to give them 15 minutes and then come back to see which one stayed the warmest, okay? What are we gonna do for 15 minutes? We're just gonna sit here for 15 minutes.
Nothing.
Maybe we could take a nap then. Let's take a nap.
A few moments later.
Charlie, Emma, wake up. Wake up. Charlie, I think it's been 15 minutes. Emma, come on. We got work to do, okay? We're working here, okay? So let's see the results of our experiment. This is a thermometer. Everyone please say thermometer. Sorry. Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Okay, so here's a look. Okay, it's got the temperature on it. Remember, that's another word. Okay, so now we're going to put the thermometer inside these different thermoses to see the results of our experiment. Let's start with this one. Okay, we're gonna put it in, and then let's count to 10 slowly. Okay, 1, 2. Ooh, it's moving.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is this moving or did it stop? Oh, it stopped. 7, almost like 68.
68.
Remember, okay, the black one, 68. Okay.
Celsius?
68. Celsius, yes, Celsius. Wow, you know the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit? I didn't know that. Okay. Oh, got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, wait. It hasn't stopped. It's still going up. It's still going up. Ooh. 82.
Ooh,
Okay,
better.
82. Very nice, huh? 82. What was this?
68.
82. Okay. Okay. Next one over here.
I have high hopes for this one.
You have high hopes for this one? Any reason why you have high hopes for this one?
No.
Just speak what? Because it's blue?
I just think.
Okay.
Guess.
This is your guess, okay? So this is, you think this one's gonna be the best. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it still moving? No, actually it's moving up a little bit. 81.
81. So close, Emma.
I know. Very
close.
Very close. Well,
I may pick that one.
well, so 68,
82,
81. Okay.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
They're moving a little.
A little bit. It's 80.
80?
Yes. You could, here, look.
Oh. Yes. Yes,
Right.
it's 80. Yes, 80.
Stop at 80. Okay. Okay,
80.
so let's go through this again.
Okay, Starbucks.
Shh.
No.
We're not supposed to tell them. Blah, blah, blah.
This is Star.
Six, blah, 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 blah. 68, 82, 81, 80.
80.
Oh, very close. Well,
I don't have high hopes for this one.
well, you just ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, it's still moving. It's moving very little. 78. 78. Okay.
The test is over.
The test is over. We have the results of our experiment. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is
82.
Now, thank you for watching, everybody. Now, if you would like to know what brands these thermoses are, please leave a comment down below and we will tell you, okay? Thank you very much for watching Unboxing with Daddy Henry. My name is Henry.
My name is Charlie.
And my name is Emma.
And he's our daddy.
If you like our show and you like this video, please click like, subscribe, follow, and share, and ring the little bell. Okay, if you want us to keep doing this, let us know. See you next time. All right, bye-bye.
Boy.
Bye. Why are you buttoning your clothes?